guys have any expectations for this? And here we go.
Oh, man, into the neck breaker.
Oh,
this one is done. What? How the hell do you kick out of that?
I have no words. Not even a 2 count?
and that result leaves everyone shocked. But will the shoulder come up if that move hits one more time?
Great job refocusing to reverse that. Snap takedown.
Oh, roundhouse kick. Able to get the advantage here.
She was clearly waiting for that.
Yes, press.
Leg sweep.
She's got an answer for that. Strikes with a kick. Forearm right to the jaw. Counters. This could be an opportunity. Oh, didn't go as planned there. DDT!
Cinched in.
Snap, there's right.
And that will do it. Not getting up from that one, so it's called.